All right, guys, welcome back to the shop. Got a new box full of toys here. Zeitronix. I bought the gauge kit with the ZT-4 controller, and it comes with 2 oxygen sensors and then the wiring harness to wire into our Pro M system. And the reason why I went with this system, I had the Innovate system installed and it kept burning oxygen sensors, so I actually sent the LC2 back to Innovate well over a week ago. I haven't heard anything from them. So, you know, I'm just tired of waiting on it, tired of messing with it. So just went ahead and bought the Zeitronix system. We're going to get this installed. Everybody online has had good success with it. And I'm pretty amazed at how narrow this gauge is. Check this out. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to mount that yet, but I may do something different than the way I have it set up now. But this little box, I mean, you've got O2 sensor left and right. You just plug it in. Easy peasy. And then you got to plug in for your output to your computer system. And then the gauge just has a little RJ11 phone jack. Pops right in place. And then you got, looks like plenty of cable to locate your gauge wherever you want. So I may, well, throw it in the floor and break it to start with. Seems okay. So I may, I don't know if I'll even use this. I may just hide it under the dash or something and just pull it out when I need it, or I don't know, I'll figure that out. But let's get it started installing the Zeitronix system. Routed. My oxygen sensors there. Nothing's touching, everything's nice and tidied and pulled out of the way. Okay guys, I got the Zeitronix system installed, and this is the ZT-4. You can see that down there in the floor, still laying. I haven't took the wires away yet, and then I shoved the little gauge in my gauge pod here. And I just took it for a test drive. I don't know, about a 10-minute drive. Everything's running great. Car's performing great. One really cool thing about this system is you don't have to worry about calibrating the sensors and all that garbage. You just literally plug and play. This one was much easier to wire. Everything plugs in real easy, and I will keep you posted, and hopefully this thing will work and we won't have to worry about it no more. We can just drive the car. I will be selling the Innovate DLG1 and LC2 whenever it comes back from Innovate, so hopefully they will refurbish it or send me a new one or whatever. So I'm going to get started on tidying all these wires up and getting everything tucked away. I went ahead and replaced the wires, you know, going to the oxygen sensors and everything with Zeitronix's wires. And I know you can reuse the Innovate wires and it would be fine, but I figured, you know, might as well just go ahead and do it. In the words of Forrest Gump, that's all I have to say about that.